Run it up, Miz. You know what the fuck it is, man. You know how we come, man. This is my year, man. This our year. I want me, we up next. Shout out to Jay, you know
Send me a
how we
bar,
fuck.
send me a bar, yeah. Send me a bar, put me on Mars, yeah. Send me a bar, put me on Mars, yeah.
You're mad,
Send me a
nigga.
bar, put me on Mars. Send me a bar, put me on Mars, yeah.
Send me a bar, put me on Mars. Send me them blues, I'm on the moon. I got a groove, I'm on the move. Gotta stay smooth, stay with a tool. Never a fool, gotta stay cool. Remember them nights, they was cool. Remember them days, skipping school. I was a fool, I was a fool. I was down bad on them benzos. We're from the slums, we call cancel. Where the hate, come for your friends though. All about the loyalty and them benzos. I don't care for you, bitch. I'm popping all these blues, bitch. Comedy shoes, bitch. Big designer shoe drip. Don't worry about who's lit. It's about who work hard and never wanna lose it. Riding in a Johnny, and I just cruise it. I'm in the game, always pay my dues, bitch. Bought that bitch a Birkin bag, bought that bitch some shoes, bitch. If you like me, you don't know who to choose, yeah. Pop me some more blues, yeah. Bitch, I was a fool, ayy. Bitch, you did me cruel, ayy. Cause I played dumb, never was a fool, ayy. Smoking on that gas, like it is a jewel, ayy. Bitch, I'm in my groove, ayy. Bitch, we'll make a move, ayy. Trapping all these blues, ayy. Yeah, I am a boss, and I make the rules, ayy. And I got that sauce. Sitting in my room, ayy. Still feeling lost. Miss my brother like no other. R.I.P. cheese. Smoking some weed. Devil in my mind. Praying for God. Put me to peace, put me to peace. I got this heat all on my head. I play the block, I play the strip. I'm in the mix, serving the fiends. All of these dips. Gotta move fast, slow on my ass. Gotta get back, stay with the strap. Run low with the trap, run low with the trap. I make the racks, fucking the packs. Begging to work, talking to work. On my shirt, on the dirt. Make my pockets never ever hurt.